Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly. If you are new here, I make cleaning motivation videos weekly, sometimes do hauls as well. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you join my family, and give this video a big thumbs up if it gives you some good cleaning motivation. Today it is all about the kitchen. I'm deep cleaning the kitchen. I need to do this fridge, but I think that's going to be a video all on its own. I've done that before and I need to do another dedicated one. I'm doing the rest of the kitchen today, so I hope you follow along with me. I picked a YouTube video and got to town. I love watching cleaning videos while I am cleaning in the kitchen. Let me know if you guys do the same thing, but I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm starting with the dishes. I am trying out the Mrs. Meyer's lavender dishwasher detergent. I haven't used it before. So far, I actually really like it. The smell is really nice and fresh. But I always do start at the dishes when I'm cleaning the kitchen because I feel like it's the biggest task for me, and then I like to wipe everything up after. And just like laundry, sippy cups and bottles, all that stuff is never ending as well. I'm trying my best to keep up on it. We've been doing a good job. I've been putting the bottles in the dishwasher and making sure to do a sanitizing cycle. And then I just hand wash the nipples and the rings. And sometimes I will, like once a week, I'll go ahead and sanitize those in one of the Medela like microwavable sanitizer bags. So that works really well for us, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on the sanitization cycle and continue cleaning the kitchen. And this is something that I really wanted to get done. This deep clean is getting all of the exterior and part of the interior of the cabinets and all of the drawers. It's not something that I do very often or needs to be done thoroughly very often. If there's something spilled or whatever, I will spot clean, but I just wanted to do a once over on everything, and that is what we're doing here. So I'm working from top to bottom. so that everything that falls off of the cabinets when I'm wiping it down, I will clean up when I get to the countertops. Mom duty called, so I did have to take a quick break because my son woke up. He went down early this night, but then he also woke up. I don't know why. I think I was being too loud, but gotta do what you gotta do. I did have my little Malibu can ready to go for my cleaning motivation. Totally recommend that if you like Malibu rum. They are so good. I get the pineapple one, and it just tastes like a really refreshing pina colada. And those babies do the trick, let me tell you. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean everything out. Also wipe out the microwave. It needed a good clean. Also, I'm trying to keep up on that as well because that can get out of hand in a hurry. Let me know if I'm the only one. And leave a comment down below, what area of the house do you need to deep clean next? And maybe we can clean along together. I'm always looking for new ideas. I don't want to do the same thing over and over again, but at the same time, that's kind of what I do here. So I'm kind of trying to come up with some creative ideas that would still be cleaning motivation for everybody, but that's a little bit more unique. So if you have any ideas, want to collab on anything, let me know. I'm very open to collabs, and I'm just excited. I love meeting all of you in the comments and everything below. And I'm also over on Instagram. Make sure to check me out over there. I will be posting a lot more here. I'm trying to kind of up my Instagram game slowly but surely, but I do post some Instagram stories of behind the scenes or just my day-to-day life if you're interested in that type of thing. I also post whenever I do upload on YouTube, so you never miss an upload. But I'm going to just go ahead and quit talking so you can watch me clean. I hope you're cleaning along with me, or it motivates you to get up and clean after. But feel free to watch to the end as well for all of that cleaning motivation. And there was a lot kind of going on the counter and the stove, so it did take some elbow grease, but I am using my Mrs. Meyer's lilac multi-purpose spray. I just love this scent. I rave about it in every cleaning video. It makes my house smell so good, you guys. Definitely check it out if you haven't yet. I don't know if it's still in season, but definitely check the Grove link below and see if you can pick yours up as well. Also, if you use that link, you will get a 5-piece gift set for free with a purchase. So definitely keep that in mind. That's how I got started, and it's such a great value. And I will continue to use them because I was so impressed and love all the products that I got. But next I'm going to move on over to the window. I don't clean this very often, to be honest. So I'm just Windexing it. It's just like an off-brand Windex, nothing fancy. I will be getting the Method one once this one runs out, but I just don't want to waste. So I'm just wiping that down, and then the trim around it and the ledge. And yeah, that's about it for the window, and then we'll just continue to go in. I really wanted to get like in the window pane because it can get really dusty, and it's just good to get the dust out of the house as much as possible. It is something that we've noticed a lot of dust when the sun is shining in, and just want to make sure that I'm dusting often. And then I'm just going to move over this drying mat with some dishes that were drying so that I can clean these cupboards without getting the solution all over it and the dust and everything. And then I'll wipe the counters off when I'm done. I'm also going to wipe down the fridge. And now that I'm watching this back, I realized I didn't get on top of the fridge. So I do need to go back and do that. But, you know, you just live and you learn, and you just keep going. Do as much as you can when you can. But yeah, I was actually able to get so much done this time. Normally it's like speed clean, but I really took my time and wanted to get the kitchen as clean as possible since he did go down early for bedtime, which never happens. So I really took advantage. That's really how you got to do it. You have to pick your battles, pick your priorities. Some days I'm totally fine having the house be a disaster because I want to spend time with my son. Other times I know that I need to clean in order for me to be the best mom that I can be, because it gives me a sense of clarity and like I have control over my life. So you really just got to pick your battles and, you know, switch up your priorities as you need to. It's not a big deal if you can't get it all done in one day. You know, they're not going to remember that of you. They're going to remember the time that you spent with them and how much love you gave them and all of the good times. So they're not going to really care about the house. That's just more for you. So keep that in mind. Since I've changed that mindset, it's taken a ton of pressure off of me, and I feel so much better, a lot more clear, and just a lot happier in general. So I definitely recommend you guys try and implement something like that as well for your life, because it really has helped me a ton. Now moving over to all of the drawers, just the bottom half of the cabinets and the dishwasher and stove and all of that. We do have like magnet child locks, so I didn't feel like getting the magnet out to get like more of the drawer. So this is just what I'm doing. You know, I was able to get most of it, so I'm not gonna worry about it there. I'll link those below, the magnetic child locks. They are amazing. We did have to cut them a little bit to size for ours, but I think they work really well on just standard cabinets. That way you don't have to drill into them, because they do use the 3M double-sided tape, which is amazing, because we couldn't drill into ours for the normal child locks because it's not wood for most of it. Like the actual drawer is wood, but like the outside isn't. So it just, I don't know if this is making any sense, but it just didn't work for us. And we finally got the magnetic ones to work. Also the child lock under the sink, that one is amazing as well. I just got that at Walmart. I think it was like $5 to $10. I can't remember, but it is so great. We have that in our bathroom as well, because he always is trying to get into everything. So we've just child-proofed the house as he grows, and this is what's working for us right now. It's definitely helped not have as much mess to clean up, because he would just take everything out of the drawers and scatter it all over the house. Now we don't have much of that, and now he actually plays with his toys, and he will take out like the broom and whatever and pretend to clean, which is so cute. I do need to get him like one of those like kid toy clean sets. He would just be in love with that. So I definitely need to get that. Let me know below if your kids have one of those and what brands you like. I know like the Melissa and Doug has one. I think I might go with that because it is like the wood and everything. But I don't know. I'm in the market for that. Let me know if you have any ideas. And this door is not something that I clean very often. And I noticed that my son has got food and things caked all over it. So I really gave that a good scrubbing. And I just feel like the house feels so much cleaner when the kitchen is clean. And then next we will go ahead and vacuum. And I did actually mop after as well, but my camera did die. But I had to at least get in the vacuuming as much as I could, even though the low battery was blinking at me. But I'm glad I was able to at least get some of this in for you guys. I love vacuuming parts and cleaning videos, so I really wanted to get that in. And mopping, honestly, is my favorite to watch as well. But, you know, life happens, and I wasn't going to wait until my battery charged because I wanted to relax and go to bed after getting all this cleaning done. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got your house clean as well, and this gave you some great motivation. I appreciate you all for being here. Make sure to head over to my Instagram and subscribe before you go. If you never want to miss a cleaning video, make sure to hit the bell notification and select all after you subscribe. That way you are notified every time that I upload. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.